Hey, it's Boiler Williams. I'm your credit advocate from Hitman Credit. I'm here to help you fix your credit and also deal with debt collecting issues. In 2014, I wrote a #1 book on credit repair that was on Amazon. It's still there. You can buy that today. But if you want, you can go to my website and download the newest version for free. My website is hitmancredit.com. I love fighting debt collectors as well. In the last 10 years, I have fought 10 lawsuits against debt collectors and I haven't lost yet. If you want to learn more about doing that, if you want to learn more about your rights and the laws, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the little bell next to the subscribe button when you subscribe for my YouTube channel, because that will give you a notice every time that I put new material up. Thanks, have a great day.